Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Karan Sharma and you're watching Gizbot. Today we have LifeDigital's ZED AIR CX3 laptop with us. In the previous video we have already unboxed this device and given you the first impression of this entry-level laptop. But today I'm going to review this device and tell you the backstory of this laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So while talking about the design, I must say that the laptop is pretty impressive and the design is very decent. It comes with the logo of the company, and on the rear part you have the exhaust system. And meanwhile you can see that there is no battery section where you can remove the battery. I think that company have installed the battery inside it. And here on this side, Type-C port, HDMI port, and one more USB port. Apart from that, you have the charging port also over here. And here on this side you have a LAN cable which you can put it over here, a USB port, a 3.5mm jack, a micro SD card slot, which is very important nowadays in laptops. So we have already booted up the device, and on the front you will get a traditional keypad and you get a bigger touchpad, but in the initial you might face some issues with that, but once you start using it you will get used to it. Meanwhile, it also comes with gesture modes. Though the keypad looks very traditional, but the typing response was really good because I was using this laptop for a while, like more than 3 weeks, and I must say the typing experience for me was really impressive. In the properties we can see that it comes with a 4GB of RAM, 64 bits of operating system, x64 based processor, and Intel Core i3-5005U. It comes with a 2 GHz of processor. So now we are going to test the device on Geekbench 5, which is a benchmarking. So let's see how good it scores on this benchmark. We have already installed the application. So let's run the application. And as you can see, the benchmark is started now. So it might take some time and we will get the scores. So we have received the scores and let's see what the scores are. So you can see iLife Digital Technology LLC ZED AIR CX3 and the score is 2430. And here you have all the specification of the laptop itself along with the statistics. So we have run the CPU benchmark and now we are going to run both single core and multi-core benchmark, which is an entire computer benchmark. So let's start this and see how it performs in this benchmark. And now we have got the result on Geekbench tool, and it shows that single core score is 496 and multi-core score is 1041. So the previous one what we did was computer benchmark and this one is CPU benchmark. And now we are heading to GPU benchmark, and here I have arranged everything on the Unity in Heaven benchmark 4.0. So let's run the benchmark and see what results we are going to get. The FPS rate is 6 over here. Now it's increasing little bit, and here you have the benchmark, camera, environment, setting, quality, sound, and quit. You can quit the benchmark in between also. So let's complete this benchmark and see what we are going to get in results. The graphic quality is looking very brilliant and the color correction is also very good. You can see it over here. Because I haven't played any game on this laptop, and being an entry-level laptop, this graphic is really very impressive for me. So the GPU benchmarking is done, and what results we got is very amazing. The FPS is 6.8 what we got and the score is 171. Minimum FPS we got is 5.4 FPS and maximum we got is 11.2 in this benchmarking. And the benchmark score is very decent because at this price range, what else you can expect from this laptop? Because this is not a gaming laptop, this is a laptop which comes in a price range of 19,990, and this FPS and score is really very impressive. So that's all what we got in the benchmark testing. Let's check the front camera of this laptop, how it performs. And the front camera is very decent and it will make your work done, and You can't expect a lot of things from a laptop which comes with this price range. And the setting says the photo quality is 0.3 MB, which clicks picture in 640 into 480 pixels, and the video quality is 480 pixels. Now coming to the sound quality of this laptop, let's see how the speakers of this laptop performs. So let's play this video and see how the sound performs on this laptop, and meanwhile we can also check the display quality of this laptop. The display quality looks very impressive, the colors are very prominent, and the saturation is also very balanced. So while coming to the sound quality is very decent, and for inside use it is very perfect, but I don't think so it will perform really very good in an open space. But however, laptops are not made for outdoor use or open space use. So for indoor use you have this speakers which will help you all the time. And if you want to experience really good music, then you can attach a home theater or a speaker with the help of 3.5 mm audio jack. So that's all for audio and video, and I've completed all the aspects of this laptop, from designing to hardware to software and each and everything. And that's all for today.